Perfect. So now one small announcement. The opportunity of free PG is not for every medical college student. All right. Not every medical college students actually get opportunity to do a free PG from India. Okay. In India, there are about 500 colleges, out of which only students from 337 medical colleges can write USMLE. If you are from these colleges, unfortunately, unless your college is approved, you cannot write the USMLE examination. Okay, so it's very important. I am going to make a lot of announcement in this session. So this is one of the announcement that please note. Not every medical college student in India can write USMLE. So you need to check your medical college in this list. Okay. So guys, quickly let me know one of your college names so we can check and find out how it works. Okay, quickly let me know. Anushka is asking, how far can USMLE coaching help in NEET or next? USMLE and NEET has no relation whatsoever. NEET PG is a completely different exam. Doesn't deal with conceptual knowledge. But yes, the next exam and USMLE is a definite correlation. Okay. On that, I am going to do a very special session next week. Please attend that. The correlation of USMLE and the next. All right, I already have so many colleges listed with me. So let me check for. I have so many GMCs. Great. People from GMC Amritsar, GMC Nagpur. Ideally, I don't even have to check for GMCs because majority of GMCs are approved. Okay, because they are very old. So yeah. So the list is very much there. Okay, and you are also approved by both Canadian and US board. So yes, students from GMC Nagpur, GMC Amritsar, I don't even have to check because I have alumni who are settled in America. Okay, so I don't have to check for it. IG GMC Nagpur also not required, Aditi. Very much approved. CMC Ludhiana, CMC Vellore and CMC Ludhiana, there is a big batch of students who are settled in America. Okay, so don't worry about that also. This is a new college. Let me check. I'm not sure. I have actually visited 200 plus campuses across India, for seminars and also. Majority of colleges, okay, BM Patil Medical College, this is there. Oh yes, you are also approved. Great, no problem. All right. So you can also write. So it's very important to check this, because if your college is not part of the list, it's going to be a little uphill task to invest time and money towards USMLE. Okay. Shreya, you from which medical college? You'll have to let me know the college. I can tell you how much time it takes. Because unless the first batch passes out, and then there is a 6 to 8 months of application procedure, right? Mamta Medical College, Khammam, no problem, Sandeep. Very much approved. Okay. Pawan Kumar is from which college? Pawan Kumar writes from KVG, Sulia. Okay, let me quickly check. Guys, I will check the last college, and then I will send you the link because we are almost 100 plus students, so I can't check for everyone. Oh, not found. Maybe something else might be there. Hold on. KVG. Okay, KVG Sulia, the spelling was incorrect. Okay, KVG. No problem, Pawan. Even your college is approved, right? But this is important because in India there are almost 150 such colleges which are not approved. Okay, so please check your college in the link which I have sent you. Right? Great. So.